Today, I'll walk you through how to delete a group created on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to leave a group chat on Snapchat so you can declutter your conversations and enjoy a more organized messaging experience. To get started, open your Snapchat app. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface regularly, but the core functionality remains the same. Once you're in, navigate to the chat section. You can do this by swiping right from the camera screen. This will take you to your conversations where you can see all your chats, including group chats. Next, find and open the group chat that you want to remove. Tap on the group chat to enter it. This is similar to stepping into a room filled with friends. You're now in the space where all the group conversations happen. Now look for the group name at the top of the chat screen. Click on it to access the group details. This is like checking the guest list at a party. You want to see who's in the group before making any decisions. In the group details, locate the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Click on these dots to reveal more options. This is where you can manage your group settings. You will now see a couple of choices. You can either clear the conversation or leave the group. For my recommendation, leaving the group is the best option since there's no direct way to delete the group itself. By leaving, you'll remove yourself from the chat without affecting the other members. Once you choose to leave the group, you'll no longer receive notifications or messages from that group chat. It's a great way to simplify your Snapchat experience without any hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete a group created on Snapchat by leaving the conversation. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.